talking about leaving. Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh my darling Arizona, why you packing up your suitcase?
Happy Thanksgiving, my beautiful people. Welcome to what I'm pretty sure is the first day of my Vlogmas. I think I'm gonna upload this on the 1st. Anyways, Thanksgiving today. It's Thanksgiving today. And I just did my hair, I curled it, a little fun curling action. I haven't curled my hair in like forever. So I was like, you know what, let's do it. Let's curl it today. And I'm not sure, I still think I might put it in a ponytail or something and like let these hang in the front. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do my makeup right now, but since I feel like doing my makeup on camera is a little boring for you guys, what I'm gonna show you right now is yesterday. So my sister's birthday is the 22nd, so it passed a few days ago, but I got her a birthday present and it is very exciting. So I'm gonna roll that clip right here. I hope you guys enjoy. This was probably one of my best birthday presents I think I've ever given, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you watch the 100, then you're in for an extra special treat. So yeah, let's roll the clip and I'm gonna put on makeup and I'll come back when I'm looking fresh as hell. BRB. Guys, oh my god, okay. I need to like collect myself for a minute. Okay, so for Liz's birthday, I don't want to be too loud. For Liz's birthday, my heart is racing, I can't give it to her yet. For Liz's birthday, I got her a cameo from our favorite TV show, The 100. If you watch The 100 and you know the character Bellamy Blake, freaking out. So I got her a cameo from him to wish her a happy birthday. And I'm gonna film her reaction. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm nervous. What is this? What? Oh my god.
Hi, I'm Bob. I play Bellamy. So thank you for watching the 100. But all that aside, I want to say happy birthday. I hope you have an amazing day with your friends and your family, and especially your sister, Kelly. She's got this for you, so it's very sweet. But anyway, just want to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope that the holidays are amazing and that you have an amazing rest of 2020. And that 2021 is a little bit better for everyone. But until then, stay safe, look after yourself and the ones that you love. All right, happy birthday.
Oh my god. Kelly, you said your name. Oh my god, his accent. I literally love him. Wait, I want to hear him say my name again. Okay. It's so funny because I was like, did you get me a cameo? Yeah. And I was like, no, bitch. I think I played it off so well. You did. I really thought you did it. So true, Bob.
And the ones that you love. All right, happy birthday.
Do you want to see the message that I sent? Yeah. But you know what?
Did he only say it once?
Yeah. Amazing. Let's show mom and dad.
Oh,
or
yeah.
let's show Ryan and mom.
Play Bellamy. So thank you for watching the 100. But all that aside.
Welcome back to present day. So anyway, this is my final makeup look. Just did some natural makeup, whatever. Put my hoops on, and then I decided to wear these pants from Misguided with just like a regular black turtleneck. And then I'll probably wear like one of my jackets or something. We're on some Love Island type shit, dressing up to go downstairs. That's what I like to hear, ladies. Anyway, yeah, I did a new lip combo today that I just wanted to show you guys really quick. This is the first time I did this lip combo, and I'm really feeling it. Usually I don't wear lip liner, but today I was like, you know what? Let's do something different. So I'm wearing this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury, and it is in Pillow Talk. And then on top of it, I just have the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Fenty Glow, and I like it. It's like a cute little pinky, creamy. So yeah, cue the montage of all the food. Also, just wanted to say really quick that I'm very thankful for you guys. And yeah, put something down below that you're thankful for. Mine is you guys. So I will catch you guys later.
That was dirty glass.
Hey guys! Ah! You're funny. Okay, so hey! we are making mudslides. So for mudslides, you will need, we have fancy vodka. I don't know what kind of vodka this is. And then Kahlua. Wait, this is rum.
Kahlua, yeah.
You use rum and vodka in mudslides?
Yes,
Oh my god, okay.
That's why people like it as an after drink.
And then Bailey's.
Okay, and sweet cream.
Liz wants sweet cream in hers. I don't want sweet cream in mine.
Is that like a normal thing?
No, this recipe doesn't call for it, but like I think if you want to make it sweeter,
Okay.
but like I feel like these two are already sweet enough, so I'm like,
Does it want ice?
we have ice in here.
Oh.
Okay, ready? So all you need is just 1 ounce of vodka.
Okay.
Wait, so how many, should I make like,
I think that sweet cream would be really good in it.
okay, then I'll make me and soaps first.
Yeah.
It's
Kahlua.
good.
Kahlua.
How'd you remember that?
I don't know.
Where's my car?
This one smells a little bit like coffee.
Mom's favorite drink used to be Kahlua and cream.
Yep, yep.
I'm gonna be up all night and jump around until we see this.
Where's Dylan?
Okay, ready guys?
Where is he?
Let's shake it on up, shake it on up. All right. Ugh. Okay, let's get our glasses ready. Also, same day, changed my sweatshirt because I was overheating.
Oh, so be the camera person?
Yes. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh, this is nice. This is nice and smooth.
Yeah.
I'll have a sip of yours, pal,
Okay.
to see if I want it.
Yeah.
Without
Very
sweet cream.
nice.
Very nice.
Very thick.
She's thick. Okay, so wait, are you taking?
How is it? Oh.
How is it?
Woohoo! That is strong. That is very strong.
Mudslides. Is it?
Am I?
Who is it? Oh, wait, did you just take a sip of mine?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so light.
Wait, hold on,
See.
guys. I just gotta take a picture for my Instagram.
You like it?
That's a mudslide.
Is it strong though?
No, it's not.